no, no. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. No is spelt N-O. It's the opposite of yes, and it's used as a negative response to something. It can also mean not any or none. For example, if someone asks me, "Do you want to go to the cinema?" I may say, "No," or "No, I can't go to the cinema," or "No, I don't want to go to the cinema." Another example is, if someone asks if I eat meat, I may say, "No," or "No, I don't eat meat." There's no milk in the fridge. The last example is, there's no need to argue. Know. Know is a verb. It means to have knowledge of something or to be familiar with someone or something. For example, I know the answer. So here I'm saying that I have knowledge of the answer. I know Sam, he's my classmate. So here I'm saying that I am familiar with Sam. The last example is, do you know what onomatopoeia means?